With a humble heart I come, standing in your holy place. All I want is more of you, and to feel your loving grace. You have carried me through valleys, lifting me when I was weak. Every breath you've given freely, Lord, I fall down at your feet. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for all you've done, for all you've done. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. I lift my hands and praise your holy name. Thank you, Lord. You have healed my broken spirit. You have turned my night to day. When I didn't see the answer, still you made a miracle.